Hello, welcome to AstraERP and welcome to today's session. We'll be looking at how to create products on our system. So after logging in with your right credentials, you'll be redirected to the home page or the dashboard as this, and you head on to inventory. On your left side, where you see the menu panel, you select products and services. The first one we'll be looking at today will be simple view. So if you've already created a product or you've created some products, you are going to see them in this table where you can look through to see the other products, or you can search for any of the products you want which you've already created. And if you are to create a new one, you head on to the button on the upper right corner which says new product. These are the fields you are required to complete in order to get your product created. So the first one is product type. Is it a product you are creating or it's a service? We are going to create a product, so we'll keep it as a good physical product. Then you enter a product code. Some companies have product codes, so we are going to use, let's say, 101. Then you enter the product name. So because it's a test, you are just going to use the word product name. You can input any other product name you want, and you are going to input a description for the product. I don't know what your product will be, but we are just going to use description for product. You can input any other description you would like over here, and then you select the product category, which is it an alcoholic drink, is it an electrical gadget, mineral water, or non-alcoholic drink. So we are going to use electrical gadgets. Alright, so over here we have track inventory. Track inventory means that we do like the system to monitor your stock in the product, so that as you keep selling, the system will deduct the amount of quantity you have as anytime you sell. So if you have, let's say, 20 quantities and you sell one, the system is going to deduct one and you are going to get 19 as the remaining quantity. That's what track inventory means. So we are going to check it so that the system can do that on our behalf. So we have, do you sell, buy, or produce these products? We don't produce the electrical gadgets or the products we are trying to create. We buy them and then we resell them. So we are going to check these ones. If you produce them, you can equally check these ones, the produce as well. Then you select there's another column that says product is bought or sold or produced in. These are measurements. So these electrical gadgets, our product name we put here. What is the measurement, or what was it bought in? Was it in a box? Was it in a bottle? Or it's a can? Since we selected electrical gadgets as a category, most electrical gadgets comes in bags or boxes. So we will select a box. Maybe it could be a laptop. Okay, in that, let's just put a laptop here. Laptop. Alright. So unit in package is just one box with one laptop, and the selling price we are going to use 3,500 over here as the selling price. The selling price, the tax inclusive, is tax part of this price. So the 3,500, we have tax added up to make it this 3,500. We will check yes. You can leave it as it is if it is not tax inclusive. And then what's the cost price? So we bought it for 3,400 and we are selling it for 3,500. Then we come to the product barcode. Every product has barcode. So this is just a demo, so we are just going to enter any random numbers. Equally, if you have a barcode scanner, you can plug it to your machine and scan the code, and automatically the system will update the barcode over here. In the later tutorials to come, we are going to demonstrate that for you to see. Dimension of the product, which is the weight, the length, and then the height of the product. If you have the weight of the product, you can equally put in there. Imagine it's a bag, you can put in maybe 500 grams or 5 kg. So it depends on the item you are selling. Then the tag for the product. So this one, we selected category as electrical gadgets. If we had tags like electrical gadget, we could have selected that one too as well. So you can also set that for yourself. And the last one to complete is name to display. Once you save the product, this is the name the system is going to show you. So as you can see, we set laptop here, so that's why it's showing as laptop. So if you have to edit this and put new laptop, this is what you're going to see. So the system will always show new laptop as a product name. So once we are okay with whatever we've inputted, we will just hit save. Right, so when we come here, we see new laptop is being bought. We buy them and then we sell them. It's right here. In case you want to search for it, imagine it wasn't appearing at the top, you could have just done this. You see new laptop. If you remember the full name, just input it there and there you have it. Alright, now let's talk about the other features we have on our table. We have this icon which says edit package info, and this one says delete. So imagine we want to update the details of our product, which is a new laptop. We hit edit. It gives us the same inputs we did initially, and we have item code. So imagine we had the item code wrong, we could have just edited it and put 2 here. Then we go ahead and save. Okay, so you could see the item code has updated from 101 to 102. Alright, so imagine we don't have this product anymore, or we entered the wrong product altogether. We can just get rid of it by clicking delete. System says it's going to be deleted permanently. Of course, we want to delete it, so we hit delete and it's gone. So when you search for new laptop, it's not available. That means it's completely deleted. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, before we leave, we have other categories here. We can search the products. We've deleted our product, but if you have other products, you can search electrical gadgets. It's going to scan to give you the electrical gadget to have. You can also search, are you searching by products, by services, or by track goods or on track goods? You can also use that to sort your products. And then by the tags we have, if you have any tags in there, you can just search by the tags. The system will fish out all the products you've tagged with this particular name. And of course, you could print the products here. Oh, print with packages. And you are going to see a PDF printing of the product. You could also export a product list as an Excel, where you can use the data in there for other decisions. Alright, thank you, and then see you next time. Bye.